He can't get to you. Solera, look. See, he can't get to you. There's a glass in between us.
Baby. Baby.
You can't see baby. You can see mommy. Look. Mommy and the baby.
You can see.
You can't see.
Mm.
It's just some.
Oh.
Baby.
I missed the snake moving. Yeah. He's okay. Right? Mm-hmm. See? Mm-hmm.
It's a snake.
He's an active snake. And then you got the turtles. 2 live turtles. Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Baby's tired. And this is what Solera keeps calling a baby. It is a gray fox. Juvenile.
Say ow.
Ow.
It goes hoot hoot.
What goes hoot hoot?
The owl. Oh my god, hoot.
Hey, it's an owl. I said, hey, it's an owl.
Oh.
And an owl. So what?
Puppy.
Puppy? Yeah. Well, it's really dog. There's a dog.
Two.
Look. Look at this.
Screech owl. Yeah. It's the boneyard.
Baby.
A fox.
Baby.
Raccoon
It's a
turtle.
frog. It goes ribbit.
Raccoon.
Baby.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Owl. A great horned owl.
Four. Baby. Four.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Look at the eye sockets on the great horned owl. See that?
Baby.
Weird bones. Oh, there's that snake again moving. He is a moving machine.
Baby.
And now he stops whenever I get the camera on him. Yep, that's not real. It looks real. I thought it was at first.
Baby.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Mm-hmm.
Baby. Four. Baby. Four. Baby. Four.
Frog.
Four.
Frog. A little salamander back there.
B.
And there's the frog. It's not real. And you got you go below the water. And there's a crawdad and a fish.